I've been flying 50 years this year. It's funny, I've done a lot of news stuff. There's reporters go, so why do you do this? And my favorite answer is, well, why not? My first year I flew here, Dwayne Cole was really my mentor, and he got me to perform here my first time in '84.
Julie Clark has been an airshow soloist since 1980.
I was scared, you know what, Liz. I really was, and Dwayne Cole was right in there, you know, mentoring me, and he was really my really good friend. I remember it was so exciting, but very intimidating. I decided it was my last year because it's just time. You kind of know, last year I knew I don't have a crew that's ferrying the airplane for me. Quite frankly, I just chose not to do that. I fly with Lindy, yep. She's been flying with me since day one. All right, sweetie. I'm going to go on to other flying endeavors. I'm forming a business for dog welfare flying in natural disasters. I feel I've made an impact, and I know I have with women.
Ladies and gentlemen, Chapman, Julie Clark!
And I'm time to do something else.
In 1979, I learned to fly, got my license, got all my ratings, started to teach, and within a week of getting my flight instructor rating, started building a Pit Special, an S1. That took about 3 years, and did my first air show in 1983, and here I am. Wow, the first time I did an air show, I was so ill-prepared and really shouldn't have done my first air show. I had just finished building my airplane, literally had about 20, maybe 30 hours in it. The FAA gave me my first air show waiver at 250 feet, which today is unheard of. And we did a formation act, and I did a solo act, and it's kind of been in my blood ever since. Waiting your turn to dive into the box at Oshkosh, terrifying. I mean, terrifying for the first time, and it's still a little intimidating. You go up to 4,000 feet and you look down at thousands of acres of nothing but people and campers and airplanes, and you cannot help but just be super impressed and a little bit intimidated. And you drive up and down the clap lap for your wave afterwards, and the people are just as enthusiastic, just as interested in what you're doing. While it's very much the same, it's really different. It's hard to explain. You know, there hasn't been any one reason that I've decided to retire. I know I'm going to miss many aspects of airshow flying, the people, Oshkosh, and it just feels like the right time. And I think 37 years of doing anything is a career. There are always going to be airplanes, but there's not always going to be the people. I cherish that the most.